yananitia kiwewe na kunita kwamba nimechana vile zina.
By joining our hands together, we are going to live. I want to remind us all, we are going to overcome. Bwana asifiwe. Our challenge and we become overcomers. Bwana asifiwe. And wherever we are going to go, whatever we are going to do, we are in ourselves by acknowledging God in our lives and saying that the plan you have for the year 2026 may God. And along the way, God is going to guide us, and by the God is with us. Bwana asifiwe. And God is. We want to do a little here. We put something here. 1 verses 34 to 36. There's a king called Pharaoh. After a period of time, his people, his men and women, were secure. Many waters. And after a given period of time,
Akenya mari thina-ini muingi muno mari nduma-ini ndumanu muno maundu megie mbeca. So no turenda kwira Akenya mathikagĩrĩrie maundu megie mataro, na especially kinya Loyal Media Services na muno Inoro radio na TV ni marehaga andu megie horo wa guthomithia mbeca. Tumere mathomithie horo wa kumenya gutumira mbeca nigetha ukamenya income kana iria onaga ni cigana na mahuthiro ni maigana nigetha muturire waku tuike wa kurugama no tigie kiaro icio tondu muikuga kanwa karia kariaga mbegu ri no koragia gakahandaki na muthuri akiuga akiba yose kuonda mathomithio muno mekindu gitagwo financial literacy to kuheagwo mbeca
warehe igana tukongerera na ciringi 14 harĩ igana ukainukia ciringi igana rĩa 14.
Ningite kuria andu othe marahusikana maundu ma mbeca maigithie the technology nigetha mundu kuria ari either America kana mabũrũri manja kana within the country ni ekuhota ku access information, tondũ information is power.